Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the iHOUR app review to see if it worth using. So to get started with the in-depth review about the iHOUR app. So the iHOUR app is a time tracking productivity tools designed to help users monitor work hours, break times, and track project times with automated timers and manual entry options. It features intuitive dashboard and report export options to CSV and reminders to take break, all helpful for freelancers, remote workers, or anyone seeking to optimize their workday. On the downside, some users report occasional synchronization issues across devices, limited customization in reporting layout, and a few minor UI inconsistencies. The free tier is useful for basic tracking, but accessing advanced features like detailed analytics and team collaboration requires a premium subscription. And here's the overall conclusion about this. The iHOUR is worth it if you are looking for a straightforward, well-designed time trackers to boost productivity, but power users or small teams may want to explore more robust alternative. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.